Inheritance of one gene. Inheritance of one gene can be explained by monohybrid cross, the cross between two parents occurring in one pair of contrasting character is called monohybrid. अगर हम एक करेक्टर को कंसीडर करके क्रॉस करते हैं तो उसको मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस कहेंगे. अगर दो करेक्टर को कंसीडर करते हैं तो डाईहाइब्रिड क्रॉस. द क्रॉस ऑफ टाल एंड ड्वार्फ. तो ये हाइट की टू फॉर्म अल्टरनेट फॉर्म्स, टाल एंड ड्वार्फ पी प्लांट्स. Collected seeds and grew to generate first hybrid generation, filial generation F1. F1 plant tall and known were dwarf. तो जब हमने टाल और ड्वार्फ का किया तो F1 में हमें सभी टाल प्लांट मिले. For the other traits also F1 generation resemble only one parent and trait of the other parent were not shown. Self pollination. अब F1 generation में जो भी ऑर्गेनिज्म आए उनको क्या किया, सेल्फ पोलिनेट कर दिया और इससे हमें कौन सी जनरेशन मिली, सेकेंड जनरेशन, दैट इज कॉल्ड F2. F2 जनरेशन में क्या हुआ, 1/4 तो ड्वार्फ थे, 3/4 टाल आइडेंटिकल टू द पेरेंट. F1 जनरेशन वन पेरेंट ट्रेड शो एंड F2 बोथ पेरेंट ट्रेड शोन इन द रेशियो ऑफ 3:1 एंड नॉन ब्लेंडिंग वर सीन. और इनके बीच में कोई ना मिक्सिंग नहीं थी, जो भी था. नेक्स्ट यू कैन सी विद द डायग्राम आल्सो द टाल एंड ड्वार्फ, capital T gametes, small t gametes, and then mating takes place in F1 generation. All are capital T and small t. इनका physical appearance या phenotypes क्या all are star. And in F2 generation, genotypes are capital T, small t, and then the small t. The ratio is phenotypic ratio is 3:1 and genotypic ratio 1:2:1. 1:2:1. The first is pure tall, and after that 2 are hybrid tall and 1 is pure dwarf. That is the conclusion of monohybrid cross. In the Mendel proposed something is stably being passed to the next generation through the gametes. तो मेंडल ने कहा कुछ ऐसी चीज है जो गैमेट्स से पास होती है और जो इनको कंट्रोल करती है, वो है फैक्टर्स और जीन्स. फैक्टर और जीन. जीन की आगे मॉडर्न डेफिनेशन सेगमेंट ऑफ डीएनए व्हिच कोड फॉर ए पर्टिकुलर अमीनो एसिड. जीन और फैक्टर यूनिट ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस. इनको contain the information required to express a particular trait. Genes which code for a pair of contrasting trait alleles. Genes which code for a pair of contrasting trait allele. Allele की definition भी यहाँ आप ध्यान रखेंगे. Alphabetically symbols were used, capital T tall and small t dwarf. Plants pair of alleles for height, capital T, small t, and the small t. Mendel proposed true breeding tall or dwarf plant identical homozygous allele pair, capital T and small t genotype, and descriptive term tall or dwarf phenotype. Mendel found phenotype of heterozygote, capital T, small t of F1 was same as parent with capital T and proposed in a pair would be similar factor. One dominates the other and hence called dominant and recessive. Hence called dominant and recessive. Here you can see the slide of monohybrid cross. Phenotype tall and dwarf. Homozygous dominant capital T and homozygous recessive small t. F1 generation small t and capital T are tall. Tall is dominant to dwarf. And in F2, you can write in the Punnett scale capital T, small t, and first is the pure tall, then hybrid tall, and then dwarf. Phenotypic ratio 3:1 and genotypic ratio 1:2:1. This is about the monohybrid cross. And production of gametes and formation of zygotes. Production of gametes and formation of zygotes Punnett scale. Developed by the British scientist Reginald C. Punnett. ये रेजिनाल्ड सी पुनीत ने डेवलप किया था. therefore on its name. Graphical representation calculates the probability of possible genotypes in genetic cross. Gametes on two sides, top row and left columns. Self pollination 50%. F2 3/4 tall and 1/4 dwarf phenotypically, and in 1/4 pure tall and half are hybrid tall and 1/4 of the dwarf. This is the results of the. These are the results of the monohybrid cross. After that, the test cross. The cross between hybrid and its homozygous recessive parent. One called test cross. It is used to identify the genotype of the hybrid. So you can see the purple color and white color of the flower. Dominant phenotype, allele distribution. Homozygous, recessive, white, and homozygous, other is the purple. All offspring, therefore, unknown flower is alternative one, that is 50% white and 50%. Half of the offspring white, therefore unknown flower with heterozygous conditions. That is the test cross between the hybrid and its homozygous recessive parent is called test cross. It is used to identify the genotype of the hybrid. It is used to identify the genotypes of the hybrids. It is used to identify the genotypes of the hybrids.